Hello and welcome to How to Organize Your Emails Avid Style. Okay, so your emails are a mess. There's like tons in your inbox and you can't find things when you need to. We are here to help you out. So I've got my emails here, and on the left, I have a bunch of different categories, but there's none that I really like except this one here for health and PE. I like that one. So I scroll all the way to the bottom here, and I'm going to click on Create New Label. And I know, for example, I have science class, so I'm going to do that one. I'm not going to nest it under anything. I'm just going to leave it there. All right. And then I also know I have history class. All right, I'm not going to nest that. I'm just going to create it. Okay. And then I also know that I have English class. And I'm not going to nest it. I'm just going to create it. But within English, I also have an MYP project. So I'm going to create a new label called MYP, and I'm going to nest it under, I'm going to click Nest, click a parent under English. Okay, yay. Now, when I look over here on the left, look at that. I've got English, and then MYP is under it. Health and PE, history, science. That's pretty good for right now. I'm going to keep it like that. But you know what? Geez, these are all gray. I'm going to change some colors. So I go over here to English, and I click these little dots. And English, I'm going to make English green. Okay. Yay. And then for health and PE, I'm going to make that one red. History, I'm going to make yellow. Science, I'm going to make that one, let me see here, this color of green. There we go. If I didn't want to see all of these, I would hit less. If I want to see that I see more, I can, I can see how many labels I want to see. All right, now I need to move things into those labels. Ms. Villamoria, she sent me an email here about my MYP project. I'm going to click it and see this up here at the top. When I hover over it, it says move to. Look, it's got a little arrow. Move to. I'm going to move it to English MYP. Not English, but English MYP. Bam. Woo. Then Miss Koch, she's been helping me with biology, and the library made me a study guide, made our class a study guide for this biology thing that we're doing. I'm going to move that to, bam, science. Oh, Ms. Marquet, she's so great. She made us like a LibGuide thing, and she's really been helping us with our lit crits in English. I'm going to move that to regular English, not English MYP. Bam. And Mr. Illis, we're doing a history project, a paper, and I'm going to move that one to history. Bam. Look at that. Now this here, finish setting up your Google account. I already did that. I'm going to delete that. Look up here. So I click on that. I already did that. So I'm going to delete it. Look, oh, it's so nice. It's so empty. And then I can just go over here and I can see my email from Ms. Marquet or my email from Mr. Illis, and they're all color coded and everything's organized. I'm just going to sleep so much better tonight. Okay, there you go. Go to it. Goodbye.